enough for me to say. I can do that. But when God recalled me, He didn't call me. We met by accident. At this time, remember? Yeah. I was walking around, they were also walking around. Sabi ko walking, siya is empty now. Nagulat-ulan. Anyway, he told me about this occasion. So much earlier at aking invitation. Mga isa guro kagabi kang tunga. Napulo pa ng lungko because alam na agasunod sa tigsagong bala kung marimahin ka. So mag-isa man kagabi kang tunga. Napulo pa ng lungko. Ito mahaing is I shared a good life with them. Siling ko dumdunon ko rin anong na-share lang ng nagawa. Anong dumduman yung partikay kumain. The first thing I remember was when I told my father that one of our members in the old Worldwide Church of God was Bugado kasi Snyder Pin. Nabuto siya. Yung may stroke na sa muna sa NIT. You know, my father didn't finish schooling because of the war. 16 years old pa lang siya, patay na niya parents. So, kung sick, although he had 3 elder sisters who were already. Sa insik, abi, ang laki, ang mga wala niya ginaisip sa insik ang bagi. I remember him telling me, siligas ang nagabihis ko sa high school, so ko sa LCC. Pero pag sa'yo ko sa NIT, kung engineering, na may stroke na siya. Tito Mae, that's the first thing I remember about Tito Mae concerning the family. The second was we were in high school. I don't know if that may remember this. I think we were third year. Third year kami sa bus ko, pero stick to sa among principal. Pero tignan si Father, I don't know, his contacts are here. Pero tignan stick to kay Father Principal na kinakontra dito sa kalabanan sa amon. Especially sa mga day boys. Mga 450 kami kabilo. Ang workers kami, hospital kami. 300 ang day boys na nagkakali. You know what, na late 60s and 70s, dito nagkasugod ang mga kabataan, mga bayan. Communist, they were going to the high schools, getting people from high school students for communism. Kumukunta nila sa Padre Coloni, nag-rally sila. Sila nag-rally sila, mga day boys. Yung nag-gago siya. That was funny, but looking back, I would call that a blessing. I mean, personally. Because it's really Padre Coloni, okay, boys want to govern themselves, let them govern themselves. So sa senior na kami, may election kami. Diyos ko, akong nagdaon. Pero di ba hindi ko sino to sa kabigo, pero sino spiritual lang ang gabi. Anyway, that's one. And the last one is when Attorney Serpino, together kami sa Worldwide Church of God, nag-change na kami after 1991 ng church. Nag-spread na kami sa gospel. No? So may mga areas na kami hindi nakatuwa ng sermona naman. And when Attorney Serpino was assigned to our church in Santa Carlos, ako na permito ko diya. Kaya ako mag-gitara. Ako nag-choir. Pag-pagnikat-piyo. Kung kami idungan, kami dito gitara ng college sa Minwa. So, kada ako naman ni attorney, assigned siya na speaker sa San Carlos, ako na po niya, ako na-drive. Ako tunga sa rumah ko siya. Ako na sa choir, small choir. So, that's how I remember him. And then, pinapalunggo ko siya because there was a verse in the Bible, ang paborito yan. Ang sermon na siya daw, ang muna na natin yung focus na yun. So, kaina, before kami no, we do not need to do myself, 10 minutes, nagkapit ito yung pangita ito yan ito sa lagyan ng kanis balay yung pangita ito kasi na doon anong ito verse okay I remember leaving sacrifice na ako na term last yung verse so gintudakan ko dito yung baksa ko yung ba itong verse na naman So, basahon ko ba kay amo gini siya yung original ko. Medyo good, right?
Medyo patas ako. Sa pag-book, diba?
Start mo ni unang tangere, but by the
mercies
by the mercies of God,
present
present your bodies
as
as a living sacrifice, a living and holy sacrifice, acceptable
to God,
to God,
which is your spiritual act of worship.
Yeah.
Siya.
Okay. Anyway, that's correct. That's what I got. But I was thinking, Panginoon, sino ang living sacrifice ng pili na turning out? Because you know why? From experience, ako as a Christian since I was born, today, hindi man niya living sacrifice ako ito mabuhi. Para sa ako nilang Christianity ko ito celebration of life. I enjoy it. Galing, be a justification for that. You know, the Bible was written at the time when Christians were living sacrifices really. Kaya nga yun ang pamatay sila at the time sa pag-susulat sila yung ano niya. Christians were what? They were living sacrifices. Hindi na pamatay sila sa mga Romans. So now I know why. It's justifiable na living sacrifice mag-isa. Pero I don't know if you agree with me. My Christian life was a celebration of life.